Guys, we're back with another cool gadgets and products to look for. Book your seat for the next 10 minutes cause you're about to get hooked with our video. Gadgets that you might not have heard or seen before. The video is about to get really cool, but before that make sure to hit the subscribe button, as we're going to come up with a lot more such products that you have to look for. Let's get started with the video. 1. Mota Smart Ring. The new Mota Doi Smart Ring lets you check your messages discreetly and in style. With the ability to get subtle notifications for application alerts, messages, and emails from the people and things that matter most to you, the Mota Doi Smart Ring can help organize your busy life. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. 2. LightSaver Max Portable Charger. The LightSaver Max is a portable solar generator that brings your solar power day and night. By collecting and saving energy from sunlight to give you power when you need it. The LightSaver Max let you work or play wherever you would like. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. 3. Tap Keyboard. Meet Tap. The plug-and-play, all-in-one, wearable keyboard, mouse and air gesture controller. Tap does not require any software drivers. It is a plug-and-play Bluetooth input device that works with everything from phones to tablets, laptops and smart TVs. Tap works with all of the popular operating systems such as iOS, Android, Windows, Mac and Linux. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. 4. Jump Drive Fingerprint. One of the most secure USB 3.0 flash drives available, LightSaver Jump Drive. Jump Drive uses an ultra-fast fingerprint authentication that allows you to protect your data against unauthorized users in under 1 second. It allows up to 10 fingerprint IDs. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. 5. 6-in-1 phone case, slide and snap, seeing much more without wide angle. One of the best buy. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box.